Okay. Make install. Move verbose user bin. Cat. Need to move change group. Change mod. Showing. Copy. D. DD. DF. Echo. To bin. False. Link. List. Make directory. Make node. Move present working directory. Remove. Need to move dir. STTY sync true uname to bin. Move user bin chroot to user sbin. Move user share man 1 chroot to user share man 8 chroot dot 8. Set I S escape out double 1 escape out double / escape out double 8 escape out double pop out 1 and user share man 8 chroot 8. Let me see. Okay. Now we move user bin head sleep nice test open bracket to bin. Cool. Okay, core utils is done. Okay. On to IANA. Provides data for network services and protocols. Let me say make and just make install. Let's shrink this up a little bit so I can look ahead. Make install. And on to Etsy. Oh, Etsy? What? On to M4. .run configure prefix equals user and make install. Okay, it says 4 SBUs. so we'll come back at 6.32. Peace out.